Hey guys, this is so fun. I am getting ready to do a layout, and it is for kind of a new challenge where we are given a photo and we're all supposed to scrapbook, our own photos, but then before they're presented, we put a different photo, which is this one, over it, so people can guess who the scrapper was. So what I'm going to do is start with this. And then this is a page kit by Merity. It was from February, from 2021. But I'm going to just go ahead and use it rogue. And I might even get in trouble, but I can accept that. I can deal with that. So this is a photo of my son, and he is holding Blue, who is getting quite big. And this photo was taken on Easter, and I thought it was a great photo. We had a really nice sun outside. So of course the colors always look great. So this will be my background. Now this paper here, and this is from Ella and Viv. It's one of the oxidation, I think it's number 1. And then this is an Amy tan sheet. So what I want to do is I think I want to have, about a third of this paper up top with the yellow. I'll do something for the band going across because I want to be able to cut out a bunch of these. And I want to map my photo. I also have these gorgeous phrase stickers. So I'm going to use a few of those. I have that. I have some gray cardstock. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. And I also have this really, really deep basil, which is making me think to do a border in this really deep blue color and then map my photo with it. And this color is called Blue Calypso. So that's my plan. I'm going to get started and I'll come back when I have a little bit more traction. Okay, so I have pretty good traction. I've chosen the sentiment I wanted for my Amy Tan sheet and grabbed a bunch of the hearts that match. Thought that was fun. Now I have this part of my camera is going to be somewhere there-ish. And then I used some Shimmer's Inklings in Ruby Lost Her Slipper because I thought it matched very nicely with my son's shirt. So it's almost dry and it'll go right there. And I thought that was really, really cute, cute, cute. Now, I went ahead and used the back of the packaging and have little labels. I have 3 of them. One will go up here. And I also detail cut out 3 cameras. So I'm going to have a cluster here, here, and above my photo with those goodies. And my photo, I have double matted. Well, I mean, I have the white border, but I have this yellow Amy Tan, which is the back side of this paper, as well as this Blue Calypso cardstock, which I'm using for the border. So I have that. Now, I wanted some kind of a thickers. So I went into all of my leftover goodies from previous kits, and I found these thickers. They're my very favorite. They are called Cedar. So I'll come up with some kind of title. And then I also have this off-white color, it's close to this in case I want to put my son and dog's name somewhere. So I have that. I have this. Now what I need to do is start attaching everything down, figure out where my title will go. I mean, this is such a large element. I feel like it needs to be like kind of with the title. So I'm going to figure that out and I'll be back in a jiffy. So guys, I have all this stuff on here, right? Oh, I went and grabbed some alphas. These are called Cedar and they're my very favorite thickers in the whole world. Look at the wood grain. So I'm going to have to title my boys. And then once I pulled that, then I was like, darn it. Now I decided I wanted to paint the wood part, the other part of my camera, because of the depth of the alphas. It's like one of these things where it's just kind of it has a life of its own right now. All right, so that is drying. So then I went into my leftover from Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits and started finding some goodies. And I realized I kind of like this blue doily to go right there. So I'm gonna just pop up a couple of these pieces and get that right under there. And hopefully they'll stay put. And yeah, I'm kind of having some fun just putting this on, putting that on. And let's just see where this might want to go. Because I do rather like that pale blue color. Okay, and we'll just pop it right back down. Now that I have that, I did detail cut out somewhere, a couple. I'm feeling like I need to stick in baby blue cameras in at least one more spot. So I think I have a really big one. I mean, I could switch that one out. That would be kind of the easiest thing to do. So let me, oh, this wasn't even attached down that much. So, I mean, I have adhesive on there, but it popped up awfully easily. Jeez. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh gosh. Now that got stuck down on these letters. I am a disaster, my friends. Okay, so I'm going to keep working on this, keep bringing in more goodies, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so now I went into my fun little stash I have and found some of these Heidi Swap stickers. Is there a name? I don't know if there's an, oh, they're from Old School. And this one reads Shine. I thought I'd see if I could find a couple to pop up. No, he's not daydreaming. He's not fierce in this situation. I just need a cute little one. I can have Embrace Your Story. That works. When doesn't it work, right? As long as it's straight-ish up there. So that's cute. Wonder if there's a little something to put over here. And Believe in Yourself seems a little wonky. I just kind of like it. I just kind of like it over here. Do I like it like that? Oh, it has kind of a little bit of pink in it, which I do like pink, but it's like pink. Does that make sense? I don't know if it makes sense. Oh, it says Grateful Heart, and this part right here says start each day with a grateful heart. So let's see if I can just trim that up. Oh, ooh, I would like it on top of this. Start each day, and then if we trim-a-roo it right there. So I'd have one here, making a nice little triangle here. So could I put it there? I know I'm going to have to put a little bit of liquid adhesive. I just want to see if that would work. Let me trim a little bit more of this, just so we can make it smaller. Oh, I so like that on top of this. Let me bring it in. Okay, little liquid adhesive because it's not sticking at all. Like I don't even have it really dry yet, so what can I expect? Not a whole lot. So that's super cute. Let me grab this sticker. Oh, nope. I thought it was sticking. It wasn't. It's just being a little stubborn. So let's see. We'll have it stick out just a little bit more. I want to make sure you can see the whole underside of that heart though. Okay, I really like that. And this says live with a grateful heart. So it's repeating the element thing. I always dig that. So that's fun. All right, so I can put these away. Now I still have all of these cute hearts right here. And I wanted to see, because now that I have this really deep color, I wanted to bring in all of the deep brown hearts because things kind of went that way with this. So let's just go ahead and pop them up in these clusters really quick. Just the deep brown. So here, and here. That's fun. I'm not going to use these blondie colored ones anymore. So I have a lot of yellow there now. So see, I wish that wasn't so pink. It's so pink. So pink. Maybe I should use more of those. Okay, I'm going to bring in an additional wood grain here. That color I said I wasn't going to use. Clearly, I'm lying. So I'm going to bring those in 3 places. Great. And I have a lot of yellow in these clusters, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to put all these back on here. Now, I have enamel dots, lots of them, and I also have sequins. So is there a color I want to show off a little bit? I really like this navy, and my son is wearing this deep red. So let me first see if I have that in my enamel dot selection that's right here. Ooh, that's pretty close, that color. Although it's not as close to what's here. Let's see. Oh, this is closer, and there's 3. Okay. I can hang out with that. And I always like using up a couple. I don't know, just using anything up makes me so happy. It just does. And then let's get this on here. Perfect. And then I have a few of these navy ones, which I kind of dig. The idea of using some of these. So I can do that. And I can do this. So that's fun. I have 2 more there. You know what? And there's also this off-white. That is not going to go there. I'm kind of digging that it has this off-white color. Normally, you know, I prefer white, like bright, bright white. So that actually is working a little bit. So maybe if I have it, oh yeah, right there on the blue. And then down here, I'll use a cute little one. Oh, you know what? It kind of wants a bigger one right here, doesn't it? It's showing off just a little bit. Maybe I'll put it right there in that little pattern. So I want it more of a triangle. Okay, so I have my enamel dots in. Like that, like that, like that. So all I'm going to do now is see if there's any little bits right behind me. Kind of took care of the enamel dot thing. Nope, don't need to use those. Whoops, this one didn't make it back in with his friends. And my stickers need to make their way back. Let's see. Nope, nope, nope. Just looking at everything as I go. Oh, I have to sneeze. I'm wondering if these are too white. These look a little bit vanilla. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and put these on, and I will maybe get a couple colors of mist really quickly. Or, you know what, I'm going to make splatty bits out of these 2 colors. I'll do that. Not a big deal. Remember, I have Inklings and Penny for Your Thoughts. And I have Ruby lost her slippers. They're both Inklings, so they'll have a little bit of sparkle, and I'll splatty bit up. And then I'll show you the finished layout. Give me a second. All right, my friends. So my splatty bits are drying, but I figure you can get the total idea for what I went with here. So it's very deep and rich in colors. Love the way my camera turned out. Absolutely love that. That was so fun. Why haven't I been painting my wood veneer recently? That I can't tell you, except for I do know I'm going to be doing it again. Because I thought it was such a great little embellishment without being like a super bright, like overly noticeable. I don't know. I liked it. That's my point. So I am going to take some photos of this and get this video ready to upload. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.